Welcome back to Self-Service. When you get logged in, click on the graduation cap on the left. This will bring up all your academic items. Click on Drop a Course. You will then use your MyNC login. Once logged in, it will ask you, are you an instructor or administrator for this student? If you're a student, click on No, I am not the instructor. This will then pre-fill your student name and ID number. Click on this drop-down menu to select your term, then type in the year. So if you're currently taking classes in the fall 2019 semester, you will choose fall, and then type in 2019. You want to make sure you read the disclosure before you fill out the rest of the document. This disclosure has pertinent information regarding dropping a course and what that does. Underneath that will be a list of reasons. You will need to select your primary reason for dropping this course. Behind in classwork, course too difficult, enrolled in wrong course or change major, course not challenging enough, do not require additional documents. The change in work schedule, care for sick, injured, or needy person, military duty, severe illness, death of a close relative, will require additional documentation. So as you can see here, when you click on one of these, it takes you to the questions. If you click on here, it will bring up a choose file option for you to upload. So you do have to upload a document there with proof of your reason for these choices. Once done there, you will then go over all the questions it asks. Use the drop-down menus to answer each one. Now you can type in your course number and section, course title, instructor's name, and the semester hours. Then date it, and you'll click Next. This will take you to a new page where you need to type in your name in the corresponding boxes and click on Sign Electronically. It will then give you the option of viewing this form in PDF so you can print it or save it for your records. All forms do take 24 to 48 hours to be processed through. It is not immediate. For any corrections, please see the registrar's office.